In a small, vibrant town nestled along the coast of Jamaica, there lived an 18-year-old girl named Moy. Known for her bubbly laughter and boundless curiosity, Moy had always been drawn to the rhythms and melodies that danced through the air, a symphony of life that played out in the bustling streets and tranquil shores of her hometown. Despite her surroundings, a world rich with music and culture, Moy had never had the opportunity to learn an instrument. Her family, though supportive, faced financial constraints that often shaped their priorities. Yet, Moy's heart was set on one instrument, the flute. There was something ethereal about its sound, like a whisper weaving through the trees, fluttering like a butterfly in the breeze. One sunny afternoon, while exploring a vintage sales market, Moy stumbled upon a second-hand flute tucked away in a corner stall. Its yellow surface was shimmering with tiny gold dots and was not marred with age, and so to Moy, it gleamed with possibility. Without hesitation, she used her savings to buy the instrument. That night, she brought it home, cradling it like a treasure. Moy was determined to teach herself how to play. She found inspiration in the evenings, after her chores were done. With the soft glow of a single light bulb illuminating her small room, she turned to the internet, scouring through videos and tutorials. It was not easy. Her fingers fumbled over the keys, and the sound that emerged often resembled a cacophony rather than the sweet notes she envisioned. But every squawk and whistle only fueled her resolve. As days turned into weeks, Moy dedicated each spare moment to practice. Her family would hear her in the evenings, the stubborn squeaks of a novice gradually transforming into harmonious melodies. The sound echoed across the neighborhood, drawing the curious and the impressed. Moy was weaving dreams into reality, note by note. Encouraged by her progress, Moy began to compose her own pieces, drawing on the rich tapestry of Jamaican rhythms and stories. She incorporated the whispers of the sea, the pulse of the drum, and the cries of the birds into her music. The flute became an extension of her soul, a voice expressing emotions that words could not convey. Word of Moy's talent began to spread. One day, a local musician who had heard her practicing approached her. His name was Michael, a respected figure in the town's musical scene. He offered to mentor her, to help polish her skills and refine her compositions. Moy felt a swell of pride and excitement. This was her chance to shine. Under Michael's guidance, Moy learned about the nuances of performance, the importance of breath control, and the beauty of improvisation. They collaborated on original pieces that captured the essence of their island, a fusion of classical and traditional reggae rhythms that enchanted anyone who listened. As the summer unfolded, Moy participated in local festivals and gatherings, where she performed alongside Michael and other musicians. On stage, with the vibrant crowd swaying to her melodies, she felt an electric connection to those around her. It was as if her flute voiced the very heart of Jamaica. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Moy stood on stage before a captivated audience. With a deep breath, she began to play. The notes floated into the air, intertwining with the gentle lapping of the waves. In that moment, Moy was no longer just an 18-year-old girl from a small town. She was a storyteller, sharing the beauty of her culture and her journey through music. After the performance, as applause erupted around her, Moy realized that her self-taught journey had not only transformed her, but had also woven her into the fabric of her community. She had taken the flute, once an instrument of her dreams, and turned it into a powerful means of connection. The world, as it turned out, was full of possibilities waiting to be explored, and as long as she had her flute, Moy knew she had the ability to create beauty wherever she went.